Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about s equals to u to the power of 3 because I want to cancel about the cube root. That's why we need to use about u to the power of 3. Later that we do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have dx equals to 3u squared du. Next, we need to change the powers. When s equals to number 0, that is from here. So we put number 0 on here to find the value of u. And u equals to number 0 when s equals to number 1. So we put number 1 on here, and you got about u equals to number 1. So I will put this one on here. Dx we change by this one. The bounds we keep the same. This one that is about u. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about t equals to 1 plus u. So we have u in here. So I will put number 1 go to the left. Later that we do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have dt equals to du. Next, we need to change the powers. When u equals to number 0, so we put number 0 on here, and we have t equals to number 1. When u equals to number 1, so we put number 1 on here, and t equals to number 2. So about 0, we change by number 1. Number 1 we change by number 2. This one we change by t. About u we change by t minus 1. Du we change by dt. Next, we need to expand this one. Number 3 I will put in here. Dt I will put in here. So t squared divided by t, we have t. T divided by t, we have negative number 2. 1 over t, we keep the same. And now we have the final answer. The integration of t, we have t squared over 2. This one we have 2t. This one we have ln of the absolute value of t. And later that we put the bounds from number 1 to number 2. So we put number 2 on here and here. Number 1 we put in here, and here. So this one we have number 2, this one we have number 4, this one we have 1 over 2, this one we have number 2, this one you got 0. So 2 minus 4 we have negative number 2. This one we have negative number 3 over 2. So we simplify the numbers in here. Negative number 6 plus 9 over 2. We have negative number 3 over 2. And this is the final answer. And this is the final. That is the end. Thank you for watching.